Hello friends, I am Dr. Abid Khan from Acupuncture with Dr. Abid Holistic Clinic, New Delhi. So if you haven't grabbed my best-selling book copy, so this is your chance now. My bestseller book, Beyond the Meridian, is available on Amazon in ebook and paper book. My another book, Beyond the Organs, is also available on Amazon in ebook form and paper book format. Grab your copy fast. So today I am going to explain the functions of liver points. So the first important function of liver points is to regulate mind and emotions. As you must be knowing that liver is related to intuitive mind, intuition, the right side of the brain. The liver is connected to the right side of the brain, the intuitive mind. The spleen is connected to the left side of the brain, which is analytical or logical mind. So the liver is linked to intuitive mind, and liver is linked to the wood element. So there are 4 points that can regulate liver. There are 4 liver points that can regulate mind and emotions. These 4 points are liver 1, liver 2, liver 3 and liver 14. Please listen carefully. The 4 liver points that can regulate mind and emotions are liver 1, liver 2, liver 3 and liver 14. Before explaining how these 4 points regulate mind and emotions, you should know one thing, that each person has within themselves an inner potential that can unfold throughout their lives. If the person is aware of this inner potential and in rhythm with it, they can see their lives unfolding before them so that they can act with certainty and confidence. So this is where intuition, our intuitive mind, plays an important role. So intuition is the ability to feel and to perceive that inner unfolding, and planning is external manifestation of intuition. So I just told you that liver is related to intuitive mind. So planning and decision making ability comes under the domain of liver and gallbladder. So now comes the wood personality type people. So wood personality type people has the tendency to take wrong decisions. So when these wood type of personality lose contact with their intuition, their plans and decision can become inappropriate, involving them in increasingly difficult life situations which may take many years to work out. Wood people then feel increasingly blocked and obstructed and become easily frustrated, angry and depressed. So these 4 liver points can help the inner pressure that derives from the conflict between a need for rapid decisions and actions and inner uncertainty as to the right action to take. So liver 1, liver 3 and liver 14, these 3 points can relieve this inner pressure and move the stagnation inside you. Liver 2 can be added, but it can relieve the feeling of restless impatience that often pushes the wood types of people into succession of rapid unwise decision. These people have tendency, those people who have tendency to take rapid unwise decision, liver 2 helps them very greatly. These points can be combined with GV20, GV20 and Yin Tang. So these 4 points can be combined with GV20 and Yin Tang to give best results in mind and to regulate mind and emotions. Okay. So these points, when combined with the 4 liver points, can relieve the feeling of pressure and tension in the head to allow the person to view the life and more with more patience, calmness, and clarity. Okay, the second function. You can also later on watch this video. I will also upload the recording on YouTube also, so you won't miss any part of this live session. Okay, the second function of liver point is to move stagnant chi or energy and blood. Okay, so what happens when people lose contact with the harmonious unfolding of their inner selves? When they lose contact with the intuition, with the intuitive mind, they may feel increasingly hindered and blocked. The stagnation of chi that follows after feeling blocked can result in headaches, muscular tension, breast problems in females, menstrual problems, or in stagnation of chi in heart, spleen, lungs, or kidneys. Liver, pericardium, and conception point especially can be combined to treat many of these problems. For example, chest pain associated with suppressed anger and depression can be treated with CV17, pericardium 1, pericardium 6, liver 3, and liver 14. So remember to regulate mind and emotions. Most of the depression and anxiety patients, you can use 4 liver points: liver 1, liver 2, liver 3, and liver 14. Okay, please listen this carefully. Liver 1, liver 2, liver 3, and liver 14 are used in most mental health problems. Most of the depressions can be treated by these 4 points. If you combine them, if you diagnose them properly, you can combine with other points with these 4 liver points in depression patients. Yes. To know more about the point combination and about liver imbalances, you can read my book, Beyond the Organs. You can know all the imbalances of Zhang Fu organs, and I have also mentioned homeopathic remedies for each organ imbalance in this book. So it is available on Amazon easily. You can grab your copy. Okay, so this was the second function. The first function was that liver points regulate mind and emotion, especially the 4 points: liver 1, liver 2, liver 3, and liver 14. The second function of liver points are that it moves stagnant chi inside your body and blood. Okay, the third function, it is also very important function. Listen carefully. That liver points calm hyperactive liver yang and wind. Okay, hyperactive liver yang can be associated either with the excessive pattern of stagnant liver energy or liver fire, or with the deficiency patterns of deficient chi, deficient blood, or deficient yin. Okay, so if there is lateral headache, this side of headache, you can add liver points, especially liver 3, liver 2, with GB14, gallbladder 14, and Tai Yang. Tai Yang comes here. So if there is lateral side of headache, so you have to, if a patient comes saying that I am having headache, especially on the lateral sides, then with liver 3 you can add GB14, okay, and Tai Yang. Tai Yang comes here. For conjunctivitis, when there is inflammation of eyes, you can add GB1 and triple warmer 23. For ear problems with liver points, you can add GB2 and triple warmer 17. For spinal stiffness, you can add liver points with GB9 and GB16. For general muscular tension, you can add liver points with gallbladder 21 and gallbladder 34. for muscles of the calf, for the spasm of the calf muscles. You can add liver points with gallbladder 34 and UB58. So for example, a person with hyperactive liver yang associated with deficient liver blood with dull generalized headache and blurred vision could be treated with GV20, yin tang, GB1, GB40, spleen 6, SP10 and liver 3 tonification. The fourth function of the liver points are that it clear liver fire. Liver fire associated with expressed and suppressed anger, impatience, irritability and resentment can manifest in headache. Listen carefully. Liver fire is an imbalance of the liver organ in Chinese medicine, and liver is associated with anger emotions. So when there is suppressed anger, impatience, irritability and resentment inside a person, it can manifest in headache, skin rash, menorrhagia, or it can invade heart, stomach or lungs. So in this condition, to bring down the fire, you have to use the spring points or fire points like liver 2 and pericardium 8, and these 2 points can be combined to disperse fire in the liver, heart or stomach. Bleeding the Jingwell points like liver 1 and pericardium 9 can enhance this treatment. In addition, stomach 45 can be bled for liver fire invading the stomach, and lung 11 can be bled for liver fire invading lungs. For liver fire itself, Taiyang, Yin Tang or the apex of the ear can be bled to give relief, or liver 2 and pericardium 8 can be combined with GV20 and kidney 1 acupuncture point with sedation method. Kidney 1 is done with sedation method. The fifth function of liver points is that it clear liver gallbladder damp heat. Stagnation of liver qi may result in the accumulation of damp and heat. Whenever there is stagnation of liver qi, the energy will be blocked, and in this blockage it will create heat and damp. This can affect the head area and ear, eye or skin infections. Whenever there is damp heat in liver and gallbladder, it can manifest in the head area with ear, eye or skin infections. The middle warmer, when it will affect the middle warmer, it will cause gastritis and cholecystitis, or when it will affect the lower warmer, it will cause salpingitis, urethritis or genital itching, pain or discharge. Okay, then the next function of liver points is that it strengthens deficient liver blood. Most of the anemic patient has deficient liver blood. So 2 points, liver 3 and liver 8 can be used for deficient liver blood. If there is deficient liver blood, there will be shortage of menses in women. Okay, menses will be very short. There will be no bleeding or complete absence of menses for 2 or 3 months when there is deficient liver blood. So in combination with liver 3 and liver 8 for deficient liver blood, it can be combined with stomach 36 and SP6. If deficient blood is associated with deficient kidney, Jing or essence, then CV4 and kidney 6 can be added. Okay. Now the next function is that liver points clear cold from the liver channel. So liver 5 acupuncture point can be combined with CV3, liver 10, liver 11 and liver 12 to remove cold invading the liver channel and causing genital pain. Much moxa should be used, and such points are liver 1, CV2, CV6 and stomach 30. Okay. Then the Next function, last function of liver points is that it strengthens deficient liver fire. The wood type of personality, especially the yin types, may lack the liver energy, yang and fire necessary to express their own personalities and assert themselves sufficiently to prevent them being dependent on, influenced by or dominated by others. The fire points, liver 2 and gallbladder 38, can be strengthened with needles and moxa, and this treatment is stabilized with the source points like liver 3 and gallbladder 40. The treatment should be discussed with the patient since there may be temporary increase in anger and irritability. So these were the functions of liver points. If anyone want to ask any question, so you can go ahead with. Anyone has any questions? The recordings will be available on YouTube and on my page for 30 days. Now I am going to explain liver 3 acupuncture point, also known as Tai Chong. It is also known as Great Surge in English. It is a stream point, source point, earth point. So to know more about acupuncture meridians, channels and their points, you can read my book Beyond the Meridians. It is a bestseller on Amazon. So you can grab your copy on Amazon. It is available in both ebook and paper book form. Liver 3 is one of the most used points in acupuncture. It is mainly used in excess conditions with reducing or even method or sedation method to move stagnation of qi or blood and to calm hyperactive liver yang. The function of liver 3 can be listed as that it moves stagnant qi and blood, calms hyperactive liver yang, clears liver wind and reduces spasms and pain, clears liver gallbladder damp heat, tonifies liver blood, calms the spirit, removes cold in the liver channel. So when there is stagnant liver and heart chi, okay, so liver 3 can be combined with pericardium 6, CV6, CV17, and stagnant liver and heart chi indications are sadness, depression, pain or discomfort in the chest. Examples, difficulties and frustrations in communication in a relationship. So depressed patient, this point combination can be used. The next imbalance is stagnant liver and heart blood. Indications are chest pain, headache, poor circulation and depression. Example, cold hands and feet with feeling of congestion and heat in the chest. Combination is liver 3 can be combined with liver 14, pericardium 8, CV17 and SP6. CV17 has to be sedate. Third imbalance is stagnant liver and lung chi. So when there is stagnant liver and lung chi, there will be restricted breathing, sighing and depression. Example are congested feeling in the chest, feelings of frustration and blockage, and withdrawal from life. Liver 3 can be combined then with liver 14, CV15, CV17, lung 1, lung 7, sedation. The next one is that liver 3 can be used in breast problems with other points. So indication are insufficient lactation. When there is insufficient lactation, mastitis, inflammation of breast, premenstrual syndrome. Example are mastitis and ulceration with discharge. So liver 3 can be combined with liver 14, CV17, pericardium 1, pericardium 8. So for breast problem, acupuncture must not be done unless there is first Western medical diagnosis. Okay, then and then you can use these acupuncture points. The next one is when liver invades the spleen, stomach or intestines. Indication are epigastric or abdominal distension, discomfort and pain, nausea, constipation. I am explaining all these imbalances and indication and point combination from my book Beyond the Meridians. You can grab your copy from Amazon. It is available in both ebook and paper book form. So when liver invades the spleen, stomach or intestine, there will be epigastric or abdominal distension, discomfort and pain, nausea, constipation. Examples: constipation with right-sided abdominal pain. So liver 3 can be combined with gallbladder 34, triple warmer 6, CV6, gallbladder 28 on the right side. Next one is when there is stagnant liver and gallbladder G. Indications are indigestion, cholecystitis, hypochondriac pain, depression. Examples are stiff, aching muscles, self-doubt and frustration with procrastination. Liver 3 can be combined with gallbladder 21, gallbladder 34, spleen 6 and yin tang. Then comes stagnant chi and blood in the lower warmer. Indications are lower back pain, lower abdominal pain, dysmenorrhea or painful menses, irregular menses, dysuria. Example are ovulation pain with depression at ovulation and menstruation. Liver 3 then can be combined with spleen 6, Li4, CV3. Then comes hyperactive liver yang. The indications are hypertension, migraine, dizziness, tinnitus, photophobia, muscle tension. Examples are headache, nausea, mental confusion and emotional hypersensitivity. So liver 3 can be combined with gallbladder 20, Taiyang, CV4 and kidney 3 tonification. Then comes when there is liver wind, spasms and pain in the body. Indication are convulsions, epilepsy, hemiplegia, muscle tremors, muscle spasms and pain. Indications, examples are suppressed anger with tremors, spasms and pain in the muscles. So liver 3 can be combined with gallbladder 20, gallbladder 21, gallbladder 34, Shishen Kong sedation method. When there is liver and gallbladder damp heat, their indications are hepatitis, cholecystitis, cholelithiasis, eczema, leukorrhea. Examples are feeling of heaviness, restlessness and heat, nausea, headache and emotional bitterness and hatred. Liver 3 then can be combined with liver 14, Li4, Li11, spleen 6, spleen 9, gallbladder 34, sedation method. When there is deficient liver blood, the indications are amenorrhea, absence of menses, blurred vision, dizziness, headache, tiredness, muscular weakness. Example are insomnia with an out of the body sensation before falling asleep. So liver 3 can be combined with liver 8, SP6, stomach 36 and UB47 with Yiming tonification method. When there is disturbance of spirit, indications are frustration, depression, irritability, impatience, intolerance, resentment and suppressed anger. Example are extreme generalized nervous tension. So liver 3 can be combined with Li4 and GV20 tonification. When there is cold in the liver channel, indications are genital pain, leukorrhea or hernia pain. Example are testes pain aggravated by cold. So liver 3 can be combined with liver 12, CV2, CV3, stomach 30, sedation, and pericardium 6. So these were the function of liver points and liver 3 in detail. So if you have any questions to ask me, you can go ahead with your questions. Okay, so don't forget to read my book Beyond the Meridians to know the best point combinations for every disease. Beyond the organs, you will know in this book that all the imbalances of Zhang 4 organs, and for each imbalance I have mentioned homeopathic remedies in this book. So it is available on Amazon in ebook and paper book form. No questions? So I will finish this session now here. If you have any questions, you can ask further after watching this video in the comment box. I will be happy to answer your questions. And if anyone want to upgrade their knowledge of acupuncture channels and their points in just 3 days, please contact us. The fees is 5,000 rupees. So you will upgrade your knowledge of acupuncture channels and points with me in 3 days workshop. Okay. So thank you so much. See you next Sunday at the same time. So I have decided that I will go live every Sunday at the same time. Thank you very much. See you next time. Please drop your comments in the comment box and you can ask any question. Thank you so much. See you next time. Okay, points for varicose veins on legs. Okay, you have to choose points from the spleen meridian. SP4 is very good point for varicose veins. SP6 is very good point for varicose veins. SP9 and SP10. So these 4 points you can combine with the stomach 36. Okay, so for varicose veins on the legs. Okay, SP4, SP6, SP9 and SP10. These 4 points can be used for varicose veins. You can use these points with the stomach 36 on both legs if there is varicose veins on both legs. I hope you got your answer. Any other question? I'm still online. Anyone can ask any question. You can also read psychospiritual aspects of kidneys and urinary bladder acupuncture points. This book is also available on Amazon. And along with this, there is psychospiritual aspects of stomach and spleen acupuncture points. And there are 19 books of me on Amazon available right now on different topics. Any other question? So I will explain liver 2 acupuncture point also. It is also known as Xingjian in Chinese and moving between in English. It is a spring point and fire point, liver 2. It is a very important point. So liver 3 has 3 main functions. It clears liver fire, it clears damp heat, it tonifies liver fire. Okay, I am explaining this from my book Beyond the Meridians. So liver 2 can be used for hypertension, headache, vertigo, tinnitus, epilepsy, childhood convulsions. Examples are burst of violent anger with feeling of sitting on an emotional volcano. A person who is having uncontrollable anger, who can't control his anger, liver 2 is very good point for that, violent anger. So when there is violent anger in a person, there will be liver fire and liver wind inside him. There will be so much anger inside that person that it seems like he is sitting on an emotional volcano. It can burst any time. So liver 2 can be combined with liver 1 GV20 sedation method, liver 1 pericardium 9 and Tai Yang. So liver 2 can also be used for hypertension, high blood pressure due to anger issues, insomnia, night sweats, nervous anxiety with palpitations. Example are easily frustrated, tense and angry when plans and enthusiasm seems blocked. Okay, so liver 2 can be combined with kidney 1, spleen 6, UB 15, 18, 44, 47 and heart 8. Liver 2 can be used when there is sore throat, cough, bronchitis, chest pain. Example are sporadic barking cough with sticky yellowish phlegm, which is difficult to cough off, chest soreness on coughing. Liver and stomach fire can cause bad breath, gingivitis, inflammation of gums, toothache, headache, gastritis. Gastritis with extreme worry, nervous tension and irritability associated with work stress. Liver 2 can be combined with liver 13, pericardium 7, CV12, stomach 21, stomach 36, stomach 44, sedation method, spleen 6, tonifying. Liver 2 can be used for nosebleed, abdominal uterine bleeding, hematuria, melena aggravated by frustration and suppressed anger. It can also be used for damp feet when there is cystitis, urethritis, genital itching. Examples are leukorrhea, irritability and impatience. Liver 2 can be combined with liver 8, CV3, pericardium 5, sedation method. Then liver 2 can be used for deficient liver fire. Examples are headache, epigastric pain or distension, weakness or stiffness of muscles, self-doubt, lack of assertion. Examples are lack of inner certainty and direction in life, so that personality projects only weakly into the environment. So liver 2 can be combined with gallbladder 38 tonification, UB18, UB48 and UB52 tonification method. Okay. No more questions? Please read my book Beyond the Meridians and grab your copy fast. And when you buy the book, please drop a comment on my page or on my any post in the comment box. And please leave ratings on Amazon after buying. Thank you so much. So see you next time, friends. Okay.